You wake up at 4:30 a.m. to train the first client, starting a long day that often ends much later than you expected. You grind through back-to-back morning sessions until 9 a.m., then face a 4 to 5 hour dead zone in the middle of the day. That unpaid idle time means sitting at the gym, too tired to travel home, waiting for clients who won't book midday sessions. You end up working 15-hour days, but only get paid for 6 hours of coaching, which is truly not scalable or sustainable. That isn't a business model. It's a trap that prevents long-term growth, personal time, and the ability to serve more clients effectively. Top coaches stop trading time for money and switch to asynchronous coaching to manage dozens of clients from their phone on flexible schedules. Asynchronous programs deliver personalized plans, progress monitoring, and feedback without constant face-to-face sessions, freeing hours and stabilizing steady, predictable monthly income streams. You can coach 50 or more clients asynchronously, scale your professional impact, and thereby earn much more without extending your daily hours. Want to escape this split-shift grind? Learn how asynchronous coaching can scale your business, reclaim time, and stabilize income by clicking profile link.